Guys, now today what we're going to discuss is time entries in QuickBooks Online. Now this is the most basic plan that is available in QuickBooks, and it's available to Essentials, Plus and the advanced one. Okay, so you're gonna like it if you want to track time of your employees. Okay, so let's get started. Now there are three ways. First is you'll track time that I'm going to show you. How do you invite your employees so that they can write their own time. Third is how the time that has been done on a customer that can be converted to invoice, saving you lots of time. And the fourth is the reports, like how on earth do you get to know what is the unbilled time and all. So let's get started. Okay, now first all you have to do is go to time, and what you have to do is you first have to add an employee. Okay, you enter the employee details. Now if you are billing your own time, then the owner can also add himself as an employee. Okay, you first add an employee. Okay, and then you can also add the time entries of employee, and even the employee can add. Okay, now whatever employee is added, that also you can edit, mind it. Okay, so you can go to invite employee. Okay, and you have to do time tracking only, since we don't want them to see the other data. Select the employee that has already been created, employee 1. You can select the name, you can enter the name and the Gmail ID over which they will get an invite to create the login ID and password, and then they will be able to, enter their time details on their own. Don't worry, they won't be able to see any financial data of the QuickBooks Online. Okay, so once we are done with that, we have to do the time entries, right? So we can click on add time entry here. Select the employee for which we want to enter the time. Okay, and write the duration on whatever date, suppose 5 hours. Add the work details for which customer it is done, what service, hours of services, and even the notes. Okay, now this is a very good thing, is the billable hour. Now suppose you are the owner, okay, and you want to bill your hours. Okay, and each hour is different from what you have stored in the master data. So you can use the custom rate, and you can write suppose $250 and done, and save it. Okay, now what we're going to see is how do you convert the time that has been entered into the invoice. Okay, so what I've done is I'm going to sales customer, and I've selected the customer for which I've created the time charge entries. Go to new transaction here, click on invoice, and here you can see whatever is unbilled time entries that will be shown here. Now you can group time by service. Okay, so I've done group time by service and directly click add. Okay, so 4 hours at the rate of 50 is shown here as $200. Okay, and just you can save it, and this is it. Like, it's so simple and so easy. As an owner, you want to see that which employee has worked for what time. Okay, now that comes to the fourth section, and that is the report section. So go to reports, you can search by time here, and time activities by employee detail. Let's see that, and you can see which employee has worked for which service, which customer, at what rate, and at what duration. Okay, and we have even selected whether it's billable or not directly to the customer. Okay, now what other report can you use? Now you want to see the unbilled time report. So there's this unbilled time, which you can see. Now we had left one unbilled time, that is of service. So that is shown here, which is unbilled. So I think so it's a great way to analyze and manage a team. Although it's pretty basic currently, you'll have to upgrade yourself if you want to go for QuickBooks Time, more advanced feature. But this is a pretty cool thing that is available from Essentials itself in QuickBooks Online. Do give it a try, and do let me know how do you find it in the comment section below. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, and yes, don't forget to subscribe.